sa Manila Bay ay maaaring araw sa problema at ito ang
Waste pollution is a growing global crisis. Every day, tons of garbage is improperly disposed of, ending up in ocean, river, and natural environment. This leads to
water contamination,
harm to marine and land wildlife.
Go. Air pollution from burning waste.
Overflowing landfills and loss of biodiversity.
Our advocacy aims to
reduce the use of single-use plastic in communities,
promote proper waste segregation and recycling,
organize monthly cleanup drives in schools and barangays,
educate people on responsible waste management.
To raise awareness and how we will do it, we will conduct school and barangay talks, share educational content in social media platforms, and create short videos and reels showing the impact of trash. The earth is not a trash can, it's our only home. So let's stop polluting it and start protecting it. Every small action counts. Be the change. Start today.